Hello and welcome to Chow. Today I'm going to share with you the 3 most popular Thai tea drinks in Thailand. Very simple, we're going to use the base, which is the Thai tea. Now what I'm going to use today is the blend that we use at Chow. So let's get started. We'll start with what they call cha da mien, which is simply cold black tea. And then we have the cha manao, which is iced lemon tea. And the most popular of them all is the Thai milk tea, which in Thai is called cha no mien. So I'm going to show you all those 3 types of drinks today. So we'll start with the black tea. This is a pure brewed Thai black tea. So I use only 3 ounces of this. So that's 2, 3. And then depending on how sweet you'd like it to be, we're going to use our golden sugar syrup. And normally, because the tea is quite bitter, you put quite a lot of sugar to balance that bitterness. The standard formula is to use about 1.5 ounce of our sugar syrup. So you can make it sweeter or you can make it less sweet. It depends on what your customer would like to have. So only 2 ingredients, that's the brewed tea and then the sugar syrup. That's for our black tea. Now for the lemon tea, we also use the same formula, which is 2 ounces of black tea, Thai tea. And that's exactly what I brewed today. And then the same, you also put 1.5 ounce of sugar syrup. Now for those that want it less sweet, you can make it 0.5 or 1 ounce and that should do the trick. Now the difference between these two, for the lemon tea, we put freshly squeezed lemon. So I'm going to use lemon or lime and I'm going to use my lemon squeezer to just freshly squeeze it into our cup. Okay, so this we have lemon, and then the third one is the Thai milk tea. Now with the Thai milk tea, we again use a very strongly brewed Thai tea. This time I'm going to use about 4 ounces of Thai tea. So 4 ounces of Thai tea. And then I'm going to use my half and half, which is actually a combination of fresh milk and condensed milk. So I'm only going to put about 1.5. Oops. 1.5, this one is about a 1 shot glass. A full shot glass is about 1.5. There you go. So that's for the Thai milk tea. The beautiful orange, distinct orange color. So this has got 2 ingredients, the brewed black tea and our half and half. And this one has got the brewed black tea, the sugar syrup and lemon. And this is only brewed black tea and sugar syrup. So these are the ingredients that you need to make these 3 popular drinks. And to top it all up, we're going to put ice into each of the cups. We'll start with the black tea. So the normal way to do it is to just fill the cup with ice. Okay? And then give it a stir so that when your customer drinks, it will be nice and cold. And then if it is not full, you can just add water to fill it up. The tea is very concentrated, so it doesn't matter if you add more ice or more water. Now for the lemon tea, the same way. We're going to fill the cup up with ice. Okay, and then give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. Keep that. And again, just fill the cup to the top with water And there is your iced lemon tea. Now, just to distinguish this from our black tea, I'm going to put a slice of lemon on top. Okay? And the final one is the Thai milk tea. So usually it stops right there, but for our Thai milk tea here, I am going to make it a macchiato style. So I'm going to put some milk foam on top, and you have seen how this is done. So we use this milk powder. Okay, here's your milk foam. Just stir it, and then fill the drink to the top with milk. So there you have it, 3 different types of Thai tea drinks: iced black tea, iced lemon tea, and Thai milk tea. Let's put straw so that we can try them and see how they taste. I'll start with the black tea. Wow, it's just as good as I first tasted it when I came to Thailand about 30 plus years ago. During that time, I was quite surprised because I was wondering why they put milk in their tea. So milk tea in Thailand has been popular for so long, even before possibly the bubble tea that came about recently. So this was my favorite then, and still is a clear favorite. Really nice and refreshing. Now let's try our lemon tea. Wow, that's really perfect. This is perfect for summer or even when it's just too hot outside. This has been a clear favorite among all those that have participated in our training. So this is very different from any of the iced lemon tea that you have tried. So you must give this a try. And finally, but not the least, this is my favorite of all, the Thai milk tea. Oh, I could drink this the whole day. It's just so perfect. The tea is very strong and the milk is just the right balance, giving it a really, really nice mixture of tea and milk. So there you have it, 3 different types of Thai tea that you can make and you can actually start your business with. So as I said earlier, I am going to show you exactly how they make it in Thailand, how those small shops are making money just by preparing or serving this 3. So I hope you try these recipes at home, and very simply, all you need to get is the Thai tea. You can get condensed milk, you can get fresh milk, you can get sugar syrup anywhere around you. So let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.